Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. Decimals in expanded form. So if you're watching videos on decimals, then you've probably already learned about expanded form. But let's review here for a second. Expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. For example, the standard form, which is the number 7,294, in expanded form, the 7 equals 7,000, the 2 stands for 200, and the 9 stands for 90, and the 4 stands for 4, like 4 ones. And so that is expanded form of the number 7,294. And just to show you that it is true, we've got 7,290 and 4. And if you add these all up, keep your column straight, you get your original number. So an expanded form means you're just showing the value of each place value in the number. Okay, so let's look at it with decimals. Decimals in expanded form. Here's the decimal 4 and 35 hundredths. We would write it in the place value chart like this. And then the expanded form would be 4 plus 3/10 plus 5 hundredths. Notice we had to put a 0 here or this would have been 5/10. You may or may not put the 0 in front of it. A lot of people like to do that, but it is not necessary. In other words, 0.3 is the same thing as just 0.3. So keep that in mind when you're working with decimals. Okay, here's another one, 0.72. And we would properly read this as 72 hundredths because we have the number 72 and the last digit falls in the hundredths. Now to write that in expanded form, the 7 is 7/10
and the 2 is 2 hundredths.
And again, if you would add those together, you would get
72 hundredths.
And here's one other thing I want to show you. This is 6 and 904 thousandths. So 6, 904 thousandths. So to write that in expanded form, the 6 is 6 ones, the 9 is 9/10, and the 4 is 4 thousandths. We don't have to represent the hundredths because it's nothing. Okay, and let me show you how that's the same as with whole numbers. Let's pretend that we have the number 304. The way we would write that in expanded form is the 3 is worth 300 and the 4 is worth 4. So again, when you add those together, you would get 304. So when there's a 0 in a place value, you don't have to account for that in the expanded form. So you've already learned how to use expanded form with whole numbers. Decimals follows the same exact pattern. And I will show you one other thing that you will come across. So let's go back to our problem here of 6 and 904 thousandths. Another way that you can write this, because remember, a decimal is a fraction.
You could write this as 6 plus 9/10 plus 4 thousandths.
That is the same thing because 9/10 equals 0.9.
4 thousandths equals 0.004.
Again, as we see here in our chart, tenths is a form of a fraction that has a denominator that is a power of 10.